Welcome to Oyster Harbor at Fiddlers Creek, the Farnese Model. Stay tuned to learn about my exclusive new construction incentive. Featuring 2,100 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 3-car garage. You will absolutely love Oyster Harbor's community amenities, amazing golf course, and upgrade options that are available to you. Hi, I'm Dan Bussard with MVP Realty. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to helping you find the perfect Southwest Florida new home community. For a limited time, when you purchase a home through me, I will pay up to $5,000 towards your closing costs. Contact me today at 239-450-5786 or click the link below.